some flax, put this in, and some sunflower and pumpkin seeds, some black cumin.
Wow, black cumin seeds, little tiny.
Yeah, they're very tiny, only a few, it doesn't need a lot. And this is buckwheat.
This is the special ingredient.
This is really what I like to show you, really, to put this in. And here we have some raisins. Put this all in, and then some purified structured water, and we put some in here, cover it up, and leave it overnight. All right, see you tomorrow. Good morning. We're in for a wonderful smoothie. It's a kind of a buckwheat smoothie. And here we have all these beautiful herbs like verbena and lavender, pineapple sage, some thyme, sage officinalis, and some marjoram. And these flowers, they were kind of in our pathway, so I cut them off, and they will be really nice in the smoothie too.
Great.
And here we have a whole lemon, which I cut up and make it a little smaller, more digestible for the Vitamix. Put it in, and then a whole apple. Take the stem out, but leave the core in because it's really very healthy. With the seeds, them in there. And then we have a piece of ginger.
Nice. Yeah, that's great.
And look at this, what's going in.
Celery.
Yeah, celery.
Yay.
Make it a little smaller. And then we put these in.
Just like that.
As they are. And after this is all in, I will put a spoonful of moringa powder. This comes from Southern California, and it's a huge tree, and it's very abundant. So
I remember
you
that
can
from
read about
South Africa. We were there.
yes, and some cinnamon and some clove. And then bananas. 2 bananas. Sometimes I put 1, sometimes 2, however you like it. So, and then we have to add a little more water. And then we'll see if it's going all down here. Alright, so now we have it all blended up and it looks beautiful.
Yeah.
And I like to add the blueberries frozen. They're organic, wild blueberries. They really, look at this juice, how
Right. Yeah.
beautiful. And then just pulse it so they stay whole. It's really nice. Yeah.
That's it.
So then we serve it. The blueberries just fall into the smoothie.
Wow, it's
Very delicious like this.
Smells good.
So I will try it and see if it's good, right? It's very good. So I invite you to make one too. All right, thank you for watching.
Bon appétit.
Bye.